Hello, today we will guide you through how to use the HTTP module in Make.com. To begin, open Make and go to your main dashboard. This is where you can create and manage your automations, called scenarios. If you are not there already, make sure you are on the main workspace screen before moving forward. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the top right corner and click Create Scenario. This opens a new scenario canvas where you can add modules and start building your workflow. If this is your first time using Make, think of a scenario as the visual space where each action in your automation gets connected step by step. After the scenario opens, use the search field to type HTTP. Searching helps you quickly find the module you need, especially since Make includes many different apps and tools. As you type, the HTTP option should appear in the results. When you see HTTP in the list, click on it to add it to your scenario. The HTTP module is commonly used when you want to send requests to external services or work with APIs directly. So this is a useful tool to know even if you are just getting started. Next, choose a sample action. This is where you decide what kind of HTTP task you want the module to perform. Depending on what you are trying to build, the available actions may vary, but for this walkthrough, simply select the sample action shown on screen. Taking the time to choose the correct action is important because it determines what fields and settings you will see next. After that, select a sample connection. In Make, a connection usually allows the module to communicate with the service or request setup you are working with. If a connection is already available, you can select it from the list. If not, you may be prompted to create or confirm one before continuing. Be sure to review the connection details carefully so everything matches the setup you intend to use. Once that is done, click Save. Saving confirms your module settings and places the configured HTTP module into your scenario so you can continue building from there. This is a good point to pause and double check that the module was added correctly and that the selected action and connection appear as expected, and that is the basic process for adding and setting up the HTTP module in Make.com. From here, you can continue customizing the scenario based on your workflow needs.